For decades, we at Tarkett have endeavored to prove ourselves by providing the best customer experience and consistently coming up with unique flooring solutions. But today, the new floor alone cannot be our only focus. Recycling the old floor is just as important. We work together with our customers to give old floors a second life and avoid having materials end up in landfill or incineration. Making this change is simple, effective, worth it. Post-use recycling is an obvious way to make an impact. Therefore, with our ReStart program, you can make a move in the right direction by collecting flooring waste. With our Tarkett program, you save money, become a greener company, get certification. We only have one planet and one chance. By choosing Tarkett's ReStart program, you help protect it and achieve your sustainable goals. The way to better floors.